Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we're sitting down here for another contact lens haul video. You guys know I love my contact lens haul, so this one's gonna be by the brand MYEYEBB, branded as the simple change starting with eyes. I agree. We've got like 5 contact lenses for you guys. I think it's mostly blues and browns, and I've actually really been into blue. I know in my previous videos I used to say blue can be a little bit intimidating, a little bit scary because I'm not really used to blue eyes, but lately I've been loving blue. I think with the right shade they look absolutely stunning. So yeah, let's get started. In the packaging we've got all the contact lenses and the cute little leaflet with all of their lenses style and give you some inspiration for all the lenses that you want to try next. Ooh, I think I really love these. You know what I'm saying, that some blues are so stunning, and I'm definitely digging these colors lately. Of course, it comes with all the lens cases and a lens applicator set, and also there's this really unique lens case that I've never seen before, but this is so cute. But yeah, let's get started with our wear test. The first one that I'm super excited to try is called Rome Times Blue, and this is what the lens looks like up close. I think this might look stunning, so let's try them on. So I've got one on and you can see the difference. You can see how bright they are even on my dark eyes. This is what it looks like with both lenses on. I love how blue they are, but not like in a scary way. I feel like they're so stunning and would pair really nice with a smoky eye. The next one that we have here is called Urban Blue, and I think these are from their new collection, but oh my gosh, they look like they have so many different colors. Up close you can see it's like almost some hints of amber, hazel, blue, green. I don't even know, but it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm excited for this one. So let's try them on. Wait, let me give you guys like a close-up with my light. If you can see that, like it's literally giving Lost in Your Eyes. I've got both on and oh my gosh, they are so pretty. I think these are one of the prettiest lenses I've ever tried. I cannot wait to pair them up with some eye makeup and style them for like a night out. But yeah, this is what the Urban Blue looks like. Okay, turn on the lights because it was getting darker. But the next one we've got is called Eros Brown, and this is what it looks like. Very natural, very pretty brown. So let's try them on. Oh my gosh, this complements my face, my skin, and my hair so well. Let's try both on. I've got both on and they're so stunning, so natural. This looks like something that I would wear every single day, like my go-to everyday color. But yeah, this was Rime Brown and possibly my favorite one so far. So let's try another brown after this. The next one that we have is called Deepwater Zone Blue, and this again looks so pretty. So many different colors. It's got like green, brown. I think this might look stunning on the eyes as well. Let's try them on. Oh my god, I think I like this blue a lot more than the ones we tried before. It's just so much more natural and not super out there. Even on the naked eye, I think it looks so stunning. And this is what it looks like with both on. Oh my gosh, I think I'm obsessed with this. Almost making me feel like that natural, no makeup face confidence, because I feel like this draws so much attention to the eyes that I don't even need a lot of makeup to feel like a baddie. But yeah, so sorry I got 2 of the colors mixed. This one is actually Deepwater Blue. The last one we've got is Rime Brown, and this is another gorgeous natural looking brown, as you can see up close. So let's try them on. I think this one is so doll-like. It's so pretty. Makes me feel like a Bratz doll. And this is what it looks like with both the lenses on. Eyes are a little watery from all the contact lenses I've been trying, but I feel like this would go really well with the doe eye trend makeup that's been going on around TikTok. But yeah, that was Eros Brown, and that completes my haul for today. Let me know which one was your guys' favorite. In terms of comfort, I feel like they were so easy to wear. This is the first time, honestly, I got my lenses in super quick. I don't know if it's through habit or if these were just easier to apply, but yeah, so easy to apply. They are annual lenses, yearly lenses, so great value for money, will last super long, so definitely a steal for the longevity. Definitely check these guys out. Everything will be in the description. There's also a discount code for you guys in the link through my description that I'll be attaching on the screen, as well as all the styles that I've used and the links to the discount, including all my socials will be in the description. You guys already know the drill. Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. Don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Let me know which style you guys like the most and what else you guys would like to see next from me. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.